I'm today in front of me Honor 50 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just to unmute your ringtone you should swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that here in the volume button control you got selected the ringtone, not the media. And now just by press your up volume button here on the right side of your device, you can also unmute your ringtone. And also we got the third way how we can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then slide with your finger this white dot to the up. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.